Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm really sorry again, as always. I didn't film an intro at all, so I'm doing it now when I'm editing it. Sorry, can't get my words out. I do hope you enjoy the vlog. I'm really sorry about all this, like not having an intro all the time and having to do random ones all the time.
Pretty loud.
Finally, we have our work surface. See him? No. Like that. Right there.
Deal with it then.
I'm trying to. Oh no, it's gone up! Oh, damn it! I've got to wait for him to come back out now. Come out, wherever you are.
We only asked her to put the window up.
He's in my house and I want him out. Back from the editing world again. So here I am hand sanding our kitchen worktop. So that wasn't really the plan. We were trying to find someone with a sander, but we needed things done. We needed to get things done. And so there was nothing for me to do. So I thought, oh, well, I'll get sanding something. So I thought I'd sand that. And, well, yeah, I was doing it for 4 days and I didn't make any progress on it whatsoever, other than like the rounding off the edges and stuff. Other than that, didn't get anywhere. So Joe went and bought a sander. Again, back from the editing world. Sorry, I promise this time it will be the last. But here I found another part. This was our resin floor, so this was going to go where our living area was, which was above the bed. This was going to be our floor, but what happened was we spent a lot of money on it and we didn't really know what we were doing whatsoever, and the resin needed to be set at a certain temperature and we were doing it outside in a shed and it wasn't 100% level, and resin is self-leveling, and also there was a lot of air bubbles in it where when we put it down it was getting air in it and stuff and we didn't take those out. So we spent a lot of money on that and now it's just sat rotting in the garden. shit all at the